I have already explained ceiling function, but in this video, I'll explain ceiling versus ceiling math. So ceiling function is used to make decimal to the nearest number. For example, this is 12.33. I am gonna seal this number to near decimal number, let's say 1. I don't want any point decimal, I want a round number. So I'll use the ceiling function. You can see it is converted into a round number. 12.33 to 13, 13 to 14, but 40, it decreased the number to the nearest round number. But if I use the ceiling math, this one, for significance, I don't have any number because the significance is by default is 1. So I will do the mode number. In the mode, I will press -1 and see now 13. It doesn't make any difference between ceiling to ceiling math. If I come to the minus number, you see -40. With the ceiling function, it give me -40, but with the ceiling dot math, it gave me -41. Ceiling math does effect on the negative number as well. It has actually increased the number.